Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 7. So we're getting into a conversation of public access and privacy, looking at the privacy laws to be able to access student records. You're going to be talking about family access. You're also going to be looking at student-only access when they hit the age of 18, thinking about who can share that information. Some of that conversation of who has access to it is at a school, because not every staff member should have access to student records. And then you're going to get into the conversation of student search and seizure. Definitely a conversation about the reasonable suspicion as to why you might seize something from a student or search a student. So you'll get that perspective in your reading this week, as well as the videos for this week. So let's get into a little bit more about the reading this week. So there are 2 chapters from the California School Law book. You're having chapter 10, Public Access and Private and Student Search and Seizure, and then chapter 11, the Race and Gender Discrimination. You will see a discrimination that is pretty strong. California is looking at that as they look at the dashboard talking about suspensions and those pieces that come up in conversation to rank a school. You also have 2 different videos that will get more into certain areas of discrimination, the Tale of 2 Schools and Race and Education, so please view those. There's also a learning module that will be in the same topic. So we have a discussion board for this week. The discussion is on another scenario situation, talking about being on a field trip and having a suspicion or smell of marijuana in a student's hotel room. So you'll be giving me your thoughts, and you'll see the prompts that go into that. So please make sure that you've posted that by this Thursday. I'm just going to put out there, with knowing that this coming Sunday is Easter Sunday, there will be an extension by Tuesday the 24th to reply to 2 other individuals if you need that, as I do want to honor Easter and Good Friday, knowing that next week will technically be the spring break for the course. Please know that you do need to post your initial post about this scenario by this Thursday, but your responses can extend into next week to Tuesday, April 24th. So please know that. Then there is that Christian message of Psalms 55:22. Cast your cares on the Lord, and He will sustain you. As the stress of the job, whether it's the current job you have or the future job, know to cast your cares upon Him. So just a reflection time on that, I encourage you. Not listed here, but you should be meeting with your group members to plan your presentation for week 8, as we will be meeting together on that Wednesday, May the 1st. I hope that you have a great week. Don't hesitate to call, text, or email if you have any questions. Bye. God bless.